reading our book. Teeth, my soft wings. Touch my smooth skin. Next page. Next page. Hear me squawk. Nana, smell good. Oh, there you're practicing your pushing up. Your knees and your hips. Should we read it again? Teeth, my soft wings. Touch my smooth skin. Hear me squawk. Oh, practice. Nana, smell good. Oh, wow, Jenna. That was a good push. Good girl. Jenna. Oh, wow. That's the most you've ever done. I caught it on camera. Jenna. Jenna. Hello. Hi. You're 21 weeks tomorrow.